Testing version 5.13. In this version, comics are working really well, except for these backgrounds that are out of focus. But as you can see, the speech bubbles work in many languages. And there is no more logo for premium users. The only problem with comics is that the numbers of the previous button are not correct. So it passed the test. Regarding videos, importing pictures has a big problem. This is what I created, and that is a final video. So it will be difficult to know if your final video will actually show what you want. So importing pictures works, but not perfectly. Oh no!
I rule this up.
Shoo, get out!
Slowly.
Oh god! It took me 12 minutes to export 9 frames only. Thank you, Lalli. Speech bubbles in English are not working well. Why this happens? When you delete characters. In long videos with many elements, and sometimes while exporting. Avoid creating a very long video in only one session. So close the app and relaunch, continue working, close again before you export. If the app is lagging, then kill the app. That will save you time, effort, and frustration. To avoid crashes when you are deleting speech bubbles or imported pictures, you just have to create 2 more frames. Go back to the second last, delete all the elements that you don't want, and create what you want. Then, you just have to delete the very last frame and add a new one so you can continue with your project. So let me show you what happens on Reels. I have selected some backgrounds that are not really useful, and the well-known problems with the props. They don't flip or the actions are wrong. The only advantage on Reels is the exporting time. But the speech bubbles don't work. Summing up, the main problems with videos and Reels are crashes, lags, flipping props, and background music starting from frame 1. Thank you for subscribing, and thanks for watching.